So today we're talking blueberries. We got this blueberry in a nice ceramic pot. The nice thing about these pots that I have is they're actually coated on the inside as well, which means that's where the water is, which means they just last a lot longer. So the key to blueberries, the keys are the right soil medium and the right placement. You want about 2/3 to 3/4 sun per day. And then you want the right potting medium. The easiest potting medium is just to do an acid-loving potting mix. What I do is I make my own, though I make mine out of about 80% peat, 10% perlite, 5% worm castings, 5% compost, and then an acid-loving fertilizer. And from there, you're just a short time away from enjoying beautiful, nutritious blueberries in copious quantities on your bushes. If you like my videos, please click like and subscribe to the channel. We got all sorts of rare and unusual fruiting plants, soils, propagation, and more. Thanks for your support, and have a great day.